roll that wheel. Skywalker. Yeah, that thing there pretty quick, y'all. Hey, let it eat. Cause you can get them dirty and not even know they dirty, really. Good little old shoe. All right, we got a Lexus coming up, y'all. Okay. Well, whatever we need to get, whoever for being the originator, let's go ahead and get it for them, y'all. Is there a plaque you can get for being the originator? So we can go ahead and God, it messed up again. I wonder what I'm gonna have to do. Let's get the originator play. Nah, I ain't in the Caprice today. Y'all. I'm out here trying to get it done. What's she talking about now? She got a...
Look, the box look better than your bed built there.
What happened?
Huh?
What happened?
He always try to get charged up.
Oh, okay. You don't mind charging people up?
He mad because he ain't got no nigga.
Oh. Well, come at me, bro. I said, Simba!
It's a boomer food.
Oh, that's a boomer? Oh, okay. So, hey, I had one person, he was talking about where Pumbaa at. He was saying Pumbaa for all night. I said, man, it ain't Simba. I said, I thought it was, all he remember was the Lion King.
First gonna say a Weeble.
Ali Jungle, the mighty jungle, the Lion King. Fix your camera. What's wrong with it? See? Funky Town, Hollywood. Planet 17. Appreciate the follow. Team Thundercock still acting up, y'all. Is it doing something to the... No. Holy jungle, the mighty jungle, the Lion King. Oh, the Energizer Bunny here, y'all. The Energizer Bunny here. Go find Home Depot and see what the fuck is up. Right lane for the win. Let me go see if Home Depot still back there, y'all. Okay. Now he coming back over here to mess up the other line, y'all. He was just leaking. Y'all see all that water in that back light, my bad. Oh, that's old boy again? God damn. just sound like that, man.
Bro. Hell no, we moving our shit.
Damn.
What happened?
Yeah.
What do you mean what happened? It exploded from the bottom, bro.
Oh, it exploded from the bottom?
What's wrong with y'all?
Damn. Yeah, I think one of his solenoids probably was leaking in there. He been having problems since he been here today, y'all. Today ain't his day. He got a weak battery. Wires coming unloose. Y'all still want to see that? But shit, everybody crowded around this. I thought y'all wanted to see some racing. Shit, I don't want to be by when it crank up again. Yeah, that's all they gotta do. Pull the coil off and spin it over.
We gotta start this all over again.
Okay. Keep it going, man. Let it get out of there. Okay.
Shooting sports and shit on the side right there. Hey,
okay, yeah, it's supposed to do that. It's supposed to do that. They finna get right now. They finna get it right.
All right, I started.
Oh shit, let me bag up again. Everybody done bagged up, y'all. Shit, don't nobody want to feel the wrath. Oh! Oh, it's going on. Hey, thank y'all for the subs, the follows, the bits. Damn! Well, he was on that rev limiter for real.